A Walmart that still sells guns. We can't have that in Murder Town. Yeah, that's not allowed in Delaware.
So anyways, welcome back to the channel, guys.
5 o'clock.
Yeah, and we're here listening to country and walking around Walmart.
It's 5 o'clock a.m. in County.
We're on our way to North Carolina to go get
18 van.
Yeah, the 18 van that looks like a creep van. What are you looking for again?
The power inverter.
That should be on the other side.
What do you want?
Damien, come on, let's go.
It's a clearance, man. You gotta have a good clearance every once in a while.
Oh God.
Alright, what do we need? Food. Where's food?
Straight ahead.
You know, in the...
So what do you got in your hands, Damien?
Red duct tape for the stripe. Black electrical tape for the free candy words. And a power inverter. All the essentials.
And all of this is to go pick up a van that is like $3,700.
Down by the river.
Pick up a van from some dude in the middle of nowhere in Carolinas. And then drive it back.
After we go to the local car show. Yeah, after we go to the local car show.
I don't know why I got myself involved in this. Walking out of Walmart.
Like 20 minutes later, we were making good time. Yeah, nothing automotive related.
Exactly.
I ended up buying $50 worth of junk.
Here's a shot of Damien 20 minutes later after the 20 minutes that we just spoke about.
Except that was like timestamp 3 minutes ago. Alright. Let's roll out.
Let's roll, bitch.
Got Waze on. I forgot my radar detector, but I can't use it in Virginia anyway.
Oh God.
We are doing the speed limit.
With the glaring numbers right on the screen.
What numbers? That's the temperature inside the car.
Alright. It is 6:36.
And we have 6 hours and 12 minutes to go.
Oh God.
And we're trying to make a bank by 1 o'clock, and this says we'll make it by 12:49.
We're
We're trying to make up time.
So that was somebody towing a truck with a
jet ski and a dirt bike on the back of the other truck.
And the truck in the back was
swerving.
Oh my God.
That was scary.
I hear banjos.
You gotta be faster with your camera, dude. Especially when the officer pulls us over. Make sure you have that on footage. I need that for the court.
Yeah, okay.
I'll be over here tasing.
I'm pretty sure any footage it captures is not going to be in your favor, Damien.
This is not even the first one. This is the second one.
What the hell?
You didn't even have...
Dude, I don't get this.
That's so stupid.
The second one. At least he didn't have a dirt bike. He had a ladder for whatever reason.
To get the dirt bike out of
Oh, you motherfucker. Someone's gonna die.
Whatever that is. Oh, can't see it.
I don't think it's a Jaguar.
Can't see it. That is kind of cool.
Oh, I can't switch lanes now.
It's kind of cool.
That's a Triumph for an MG.
That is nice.
I don't think so.
I just got a rolling shot of it. Oh, status update. It is 7:45.
4 hours, 56 minutes to go.
And it is foggy as hell.
In fact, Waze just reported fog.
All kinds of late and wrong, just like your directions.
Topic of discussion for all you guys on YouTube is iPhone better than Android? Yes, it is. iPhone rules. Android fanboys.
So,
here we are.
It is 8:42. And still driving.
Still haven't made it.
Had to do a little pit stop there.
I didn't.
Being past Kidney Stone.
A couple of them, but he feels so much better now.
More gutter, more gutter. Can we stop at the Harley dealer? I need a shirt.
On the way back.
No, we're not stopping on the way back. The way back, we're gonna be shaking for a lot. Shaking for a lot. shaking for a
You're
life.
not allowed to say f***ing, then you gotta f***ing beep it. What the f***, dude?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Anyway.
Hey, look, it's a Honda Pilot.
What? No.
I can't believe that I picked
like a
that
Jeep.
out from like
thought it was
18 cars back.
I just saw one taillight and I thought it was a Jeep.
That's a Jeep.
Skills. Somebody's
Whatever.
been on this planet 10 years longer than somebody else.
Oh, God. So that is Damien's latest thing. He's fixed on my age.
Respect your elders, son.
I'm not fixed on your age. You're fixed on the fact that you keep calling me old.
You're old.
I'm 10 years older. Actually, we're both 10 years older than you. So shut the fuck up.
Exactly. You're both old.
Turn left.
No, idiots. All right, where's the sign?
Then turn left on
Sheets.
Aldi's. Jesus, why is everything below ground here?
Damn it, I can't go that one.
Then turn left on Ridge.
We go to Bojangles?
Bojangles. We don't have those in Delaware. Scared. Come on, light. Let's go.
Corals.
Wasting time here.
Too bad I don't have my card for work.
What? Some gas pumps. Go. That's the gas pump on.
Hey, I have Canadian audience. But, yeah, guys, come on. Get your boy over here driving better. Holy dude, I can barely record.
Put on the stabilizer.
Look at text there with the puppy.
All right.
We made it.
Come on, fill her up.
I'm going.
I go.
Not a problem. Just if you're looking, you got your GPS going, I'm sure. So if something looks delayed or something there, let me know. And I can get my signature notarized.
I think
And then,
they're only going to stamp it once though. So.
well, see, here's the thing. If I get it
Sounded
notarized,
like he was just trying to make sure that the sale happens.
Stay Toyota.
Whoop, whoop. I'm waiting for it. So, it is 9:42. Still on the road. And
About 3 hours left.
Damien's still driving like an asshole.
When's that ever changed?
And there is GoPros now, so between this one and the next hour, it's gonna be a little time lapse. Well, that too. So anyways, tell the computer to shut the f up. I'm over here trying to take a nap. Deem over here is fucking shitting his pants, and I tried to remind him
never happened.
that there's a vent on that side of the car. So said vent blows, and air goes this way, right into my face. And as a result of this, I'm going to end up with pink eye by the end of this trip.
It's entirely your fault because you're all like, it's hot back here.
It is hot back here.
Shit. You guys are killing me.
Jesus.
Turn the heat up.
I had to turn on the recirculatory air because the diesel was blowing smoke into the cab.
And now I got to piss again.
Oh my god!
So, it is 10:43.
My god,
In another hour.
10:43?
And yeah, I still gotta piss. Dean's still shitting himself. Damien's still driving like an asshole. There you go, nice and open. We have finally arrived near our destination. And we have noticed that there is a lot of hot rods just sitting on driveways in the middle of the woods. Like, what do these people do for a living?
No idea, but they got a lot of cars down here. A lot of cars.
Looks like the fire station over there burnt down.
Like, I'm kind of shocked at the amount of cars that we've seen so far. Well, now we're coming into town, like a real town. together. You can take out them both, mix them together, and eat them all at the same time.
Well, I guess I lost. I thought it was a strip club. As much as they advertise it.
Dude, it's all over the place down here. Never heard of it up our way.
Do we have Whataburger up there?
No.
Man. So, we're here, and there's the van.
And it's not by a river.
And it's not by a river.
Not by the river.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Oh, shut up. You already saw pictures of it.
I know.
It's not that bad. Dude, try to find one. That's all I'm saying.
Oh, dude, I'm gonna laugh when I find you one right next to the house
Okay.
for $3 grand.
Find one. Bet you down.
Oh. Oh, God. Aaron, let's get the
Good
ice cream.
timing. We just pulled up.
Woo.
Yeah.
I've already got it notarized.